If you still often throw away broken LED lights, from now on stop. You will regret it if you continue to throw away these broken lights, because in this video I will show you how to recycle these broken LED lights into something more useful, or you can make this idea for your business idea, recycling used lights into more useful items that will make money for you. The first step is to take a lamp cover that has no air vents on the side like this lamp housing. Look for a lamp housing that has closed sides. For example, this lamp cover has a closed side and no air vents. The shape of the lamp cover doesn't have to be like this. The important thing is that there are no air vents on the side walls. Then remove the zinc on this lamp cover using a rubber tire. Wrap the rubber tire around the zinc part. Then turn it and the zinc will come off easily. Look at the zinc coming off very easily. This is thanks to the help of the tire rubber. If you only use your bare hands, the zinc will be difficult to come off. Then for the next step, cut the end of the lamp cover. Enlarge the size of the hole in the lamp cover until the hole can be inserted with a 1/2-inch PVC pipe. See, the 1/2-inch pipe fits in easily. Then prepare a 3/4-inch PVC pipe and cut it to a length of 5 centimeters. Smooth out the remaining pieces using sandpaper. This will make the tool work more optimally. Then prepare a PVC pipe with a diameter of 1/2 inch. The length of the pipe can later be adjusted to your needs. Insert the 1/2-inch pipe into the 3/4-inch diameter pipe. Then insert this pipe into the hole in the lamp cover that you prepared at the beginning of the process. Look at the very neat connection. Then use glue to combine the 3/4 size PVC pipe with the lamp cover. The gluing results are very neat and just waiting for the glue to dry. While waiting for the glue to dry, prepare a used PVC pipe with a fairly wide size, split it and heat it over the stove, or you can boil it using water. After the pipe is soft, press it with a flat object to get a sheet pipe. After getting the sheet pipe, cut the sheet pipe into a circle. You can use the lamp cover circle to measure it. The size fits the diameter of the lamp cover. Then prepare a PVC pipe with a size of 1/2 inch and cover one hole in the pipe using sponge foam. Then insert the pipe into the 3/4 pipe hole that has been connected to the lamp cover. The next step is to use glue to connect the circular sheet pipe with the PVC pipe. In order to get maximum gluing results, I use a combination of super glue with baking soda. This glue combination can glue the PVC pipe firmly. Then measure 6 centimeters from the end of the pipe and mark it with a marker. The next step is to make a hole in the PVC pipe that has been measured 6 centimeters. After the process is complete, the resulting tool will look like this. You can spray paint this tool to make it look more attractive. You can use this tool yourself, or you can also use it as a business idea to mass produce it. Then you can sell it, so you will earn money from this simple idea. This tool is suitable for you to install in front of your house, suitable for use in fish ponds. With this tool, the water fountain will be more beautiful, forming like an umbrella. You can adjust the width of the fountain by raising or lowering the light cover. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Join us. We have creative projects that we will continue to share. Give your experience or ideas in the comments column. So from now on, never throw away used LED lights again. Thank you for taking the time to watch our creative videos. See you in the next creative idea.